Hello families, I clearly welcome you all to GH Mock Educational Channel. So this is the second lesson for the student management system. We are done with the first lesson, so we are going to continue with the first lesson and make it as the second lesson for the student management system. I'm talking about the SMS. So to not waste much time, we'll open our first lesson. So you double click to open, then you launch your SMS 2023. Okay, so what we are going to do is on this lesson, what we are going to do is we are going to create a parent form. We are going to create a parent form. Okay, so what we are going to do is you click on the parent, then you go to create. Then you're going to use a form wizard for this part. Okay, then you click on form wizard. Alright, so here you're going to move all the details here. So if you start to click here, you're going to move only the ID. Okay, so let's reverse the ID. So what you're going to do is you're going to forward all the data here to the side, okay, to the selected fields. So here you move this one, or then you go to next. So here, because you're going to create a parent table, a parent form, we have to use a columnar. Okay, so we are going to use a columnar. So here you click next, parent, modify the design. No, let's say finish. All right, so finish. Okay, so this is how the parent forms looks like. So here we're going to modify our form. Okay, you're going to modify our parent form. So the first thing we have to do is to get rid of this bar. Okay, so here you have to change the view to design view. All right, so we have to get rid of the bar. So here you click this place, then you move on to the format. So the format here, you're going to move to, or you have to find record selector. This is a record sets. All right, so here you go to format, then you move on to record selector. Find record selector. Okay, so this is a record selector, so set the record selector to no. Okay, control S to save. Okay, so after doing this, what we are going to do is we have to improve the designs. Okay, so you go back to the design view, then we have to rearrange all these. So what we are going to do is let's select all these. All right, select all these. Okay, then right click, select again, right click, select the size, make it or change it to widest. All right, so select it again, alignment to left. All right, so let's move on to the second one. Sorry. All right, so let me calm down a little and just okay. All right, okay, so let's preview it and see what will happen to our form view. You can see it has changed, right? So that means we have no right to touch the form header. Okay, so let's go back again, go to design view. All right, so click here again, 2. All right, so we are done with this one. We are done with this. Control S to save and go back again and check for corrections. Form view. All right, so you can see everything is set, but what we have to do is we have to shift or move this a little bit if you want. Okay, so here, go back to design view again, then let's select this one, select here. All right, so let's push it a little bit here. All right, so Control S to save. All right, so let's set it to a pop-up menu. So here, unless you click here, double click, then you go out to, or you go to others, then you go to pop-up. Okay, pop-up, set it to yes. So yes. All right, Control S to save. Let's preview our form and see how the pop-up looks like. So form view. All right, so wonderful, as you can see, wonderful. All right, so here you can see that the shape is not to that extent. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to increase the shape. Okay, so after highlighting, you go to format, then you change the size to bold, or let's you bold it, then color to black. All right, so black. So this is how it will be. So here you press Ctrl+S to save. Let's preview the form and see how it looks like. Form view. Wonderful. So this is how we normally use to create the parent form. This is how we use to create parent form. Okay, thank you very much for joining us. Our third tutorial will be uploaded soon. Bye bye.